Today I'm going to explain the details of one of the project that I recently completed for one of my Upwork clients. So let's start. So first of all, let me just brief about the job description. So basically, this client is providing investigative services to different people in USA. So this client is managing a team of investigators in his office, and now this client wanted to move to have a web portal where admin, clients, and investigators can use it and perform all the activities that they are currently doing manually. So when I applied to this job, I see that job description is very brief. So I requested the client to have a meeting. We had a meeting, detailed meeting, and based on this meeting, I asked different questions, and then based on the responses to those questions, I prepared a detailed document which contains the details of this whole project. So you can see in this document, I divided the whole project into different modules. One was client portal. Then I have another section which is for the investigators portal, and it has its own features. And then there is a third module which is admin portal and main, and which is one of the most important. And then it has its own features and list of different sections inside it. So then summary of the key functionalities, and then based on the requirements, we decided the technical requirements, the tech stack that we have to use, the security that we have to apply, and the integrations that we have applied, like email notifications and other features. And then for as far as the development time and cost is concerned, the development time of this project was 4 weeks, and the total cost was $2,000. So we divided, after our mutual understanding, we divided the whole project into 4 milestones. Each milestone consisted of $500 and 1 week's development time. So I started the development of this portal using MERN stack, and completed it in the decided 4 weeks, and it is now converted into a fully functional product. And my client and the users who want to avail investigative services are using this portal. So now let's move to this portal. So basically, there are 3 modules. One is the admin portal, second one is the client portal, and the third one is the investigative portal. So how this is working is that clients can use the client portal to provide the details of the cases and submit it. As soon as they submit it, the case is forwarded to admin, and admin can view the details of the case and approve it and assign the investigators. So first of all, let's move to admin portal. Admin, as soon as admin logs in, admin sees the dashboard where there are different stats about the cases, like submitted cases, investigator assigned, and different statuses. And also we have graphs and charts, so that admin can have clear idea about what is going on the portal in the form of bar chart as well as the pie chart. And this section shows the 5 most recent cases with the details that when these are created: case code, case category, client name, and then either investigator is assigned or not, and then case priority, and then the status of the case. And in the next section is case management. Here we can see all the cases. The admin can see all the cases which are submitted by different clients, and also client can filter it manually or based on the status. Like when we press awaiting approval, it only shows those cases which are still awaiting for the approval of the client. Then the next tab shows the cases which are already assigned the investigator, and then the cases which are for which the investigation is completed and these are closed. So also there is an option to apply the filters as well. And then admin also has the option to create a new case. And when creating a case, client can provide different details like case code, estimated cost, then client for which admin is creating it, and then assign the investigator as well. Then select a category, either it's accident, criminal investigation, fraud investigation, harassment, marketing fraud, missing persons, or robbery. These are the details that admin can provide when creating case. The most important thing is that the admin can also provide the address details and then select from this list. So we have Google Maps API used for this purposes to provide the address selection. Then admin can also upload the attached files as well with this case. As soon as the case is submitted, it displays over here. So next section is client management, where admin can create accounts for the clients and perform different actions as well, like add data, change password, view case, view as well as delete the client's account. Then also there is another similar section where admin can view the list of investigators which are available in this system, and also create new investigator account as well. So these are different actions that a client can perform for admin can perform for clients as well as investigators. Then there is another section which is showing reports and analytics. You can see clearly it is given idea, total cases submitted, cases resolved, closed, rejected, and all the stuff like that. And it is also showing this information in the form of a pie chart and then the line chart as well. Then client also has the option to admin also has the option to create new categories. Admin also can create new categories. Like over here they can type the category name and set it as active or inactive. If it is active, it will be shown when case category is selected during case creation process. So this is the admin portal, and we can see that there are a bundle of actions that a client can perform. Then next portal is the client portal. This is where the people who want to avail investigative services, they can use this portal. So this is also has a dashboard where different stats can be viewed, and then there is a section which is for the cases where clients can create cases as well as view the status of the cases which are already submitted. It is similar view like we have in the admin panel, like they can provide the details, select the address as well, and then attach the images as well. So as soon a case is created, let's suppose we create a case like A009, and then we assign an estimated cost as well. We select the case category, we set the priority, we select the address, and then let's suppose here I selected the address. It's test case, and then I submit this case. As soon as I submit a case, admin will receive a notification. Here you can see it was posted a few seconds ago. As soon as admin clicks this notification, admin is directed to the details of this case, and also once case is submitted, it is also showing the address of location of the case as well. So these are different actions that a client can perform using this portal. Similarly, we can sort the cases based on the case status. Also, we have the filters options over here as well. And the next portal is client when admin assigns a case to a specific investigator. Investigator logs into this portal, and they can also have the dashboard over here. And when we move to case management, we can see this specific investigator who logged in can view the cases which are assigned to him. Let's suppose we assign a case to this investigator and see how it is shown over here. Let's move to case management, and I am acting as an admin, assign investigator, and I choose Professor Jabbar as investigator. I assigned it, and as soon as it is assigned, the investigator will also receive a notification. So the notifications are working in real time. So as soon as I selected it, it takes me to the details page, and you can see the rest over here as well. So also as I am working on this, I started working on this so investigator can simply add comments to it. And also when admin assigned investigator, client also receives the notification that investigator Professor Jabbar added case report, and admin is assigned a case for investigator to investigator Professor Jabbar. So client also gets updates in a real time manner. So as soon as case investigator has performed the investigation and he wants to close this case, so he can go over here and submit findings, and like they can add as many details as they want, and then save changes. And as soon as this is saved from here, and we move to case detail, we can see that there is a report attached to this case which I can view as well as download. So these are different features that I have implemented in this project, and all these features are fully functional. We used MERN stack for the development of this project, and we hosted this on AWS. So it is really working fine and helping my client as well as the user who are using this portal to avail investigative services. So once it completed, my client gave me the feedback on Upwork. Let's see how my client was happy with my work. You can see over here that he gave me 5-star rating, and then they also added very nice comments as well. So this project happily closed, and it is a great experience that I learned from this, and I'm definitely going to work with this client in near future to add more features this portals. And thank you very much for visiting my profile.